Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through the introduction to Excel. So if you want to get the Excel, this is where you're going to get it from. You go tap and tap the icon for search button. So here it's the icon X to represent the Excel. So you're going to tap on it. Here there are so many items that are here. You can use this but basically we need a blank workbook. So this is our workbook. You can call it worksheet. So in this workbook or worksheets, we normally have so many. We have rows and then we have columns. Now the rows are represented by the horizontal lines, and then the columns are represented by the vertical lines. Or you can see them as the rows are represented by these numbers, 1 up to infinity, and then the columns are represented by the alphabetical letters. So if you want to use this spreadsheet or a workbook, there are other tabs that you're going to use. So we have the home tab, we have the insert, and the rest as you see. So within this, you're going to find so many things that will help you during putting in your documents or when you're working with your worksheets. So here when you tap the home, we have varieties, we have the formulas, we have the conditional, formulating bars, and others. And then also when you tap on insert, you find so many charts that you need to use when you're inserting all your documents. So within a worksheet or the workbook, we have a range. A range means a selected area where you have used, assuming I've used this place. So I'm going to, if I highlight this space, this means this is my range. Okay. In this worksheet, we also have something to do with cell. A cell is a combination of a row and column. So we have an active cell, the green thing you're seeing. This is what we call an active cell. And then here, we have a formula bar called a formula tab. This is where you're going to be seeing all the formulas that you'll be using when you're using your spreadsheet. And also here we have the cells names. So if you've written all what you want to do, like here, and you want to check on the name of the cell, so you come and tap on here. So when I tap on this, this is cell C2. It means it's a combination of the combination of column C plus a row 2. So yeah. Upon doing all this, these sheets, we have variety of sheets, and if you want to add them, you come and tap on this plus sign. You keep on adding the sheets one after the other. Otherwise, that is how Excel is, and that is how Excel looks like. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos that are coming.